Hi and welcome to OneSearch. We're going to look into how to perform an advanced search right in the beginning. So far we've been typing in our phrase right here in the search anything. But if we want to start out limiting or expanding what we get with our very first search, we want to come all the way over here to where it says advanced search. We're going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to pull up some options for us of what we want our search to give us. So it can be from any of these collections. I'm going to stick with San Jose State, but you can say you want it from the Cal States, you want it to be just articles, but for now I'm going to stick with just the San Jose State collections. They want to know what field. Do we want it to be the title? Do we know the title? Are we looking for something specific, author, subject, the ISBN? I'm going to just put subject. It's going to be really general. And then I want it to just contain the word I'm talking about. Right here it can be exact or it can start with, but we want right now for it to just contain the term. So the term I'm going to go with is young adult. Okay, and I want it to be limited to just articles. There are other options, as you can see, but for now I'm going to choose articles. Now, we can come to the Boolean phrasing, which is and, or, and not, and we want to expand our search. So in order to expand our search, we're going to go with the word or. Or means that our search, we'll stick with subject, contains, we'll leave it there, and we're going to put teen. So what happens with or is our results are going to pull up anything that contains the word young adult or the word teen. So we're hopefully going to get more options by doing that. If we come over here to publication date, I like to keep things within the last 5 years because that is generally fairly recent. So I'm going to click search. The subject of young adult and teens contain either of these terms and have been published within the last 5 years. So when we scroll down, we see that we have just over 7,000 results right there. And our articles are going to vary in topic, but they're all going to be about either young adults or teens. Now, if I wanted to limit my query, right? So I expanded it with the word or. But you see if I scroll over any of my limiters, I can change it. So if I select or, and I say, you know what, I actually want to limit it. So it's going to be young adult. And if I select and, it would mean the article needs to contain both terms. And if I say not, it means I only want articles that contain the term young adult, not the term teen. So if I limit it in that way, let's see how my results. It limits them by about 1,000. So it drops it down to 6,000. And by putting it where it's both and, let's just see what that does in terms of our searching. And that's going to give us only 13 results. So very few contain both of these terms, because typically you're either going to say young adult or teen. So that is how you do an advanced search right from the beginning. You can further limit your searching off to the side, refine by. But for now, this is an advanced search. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me at the library.